Wait, before you pop, scrub, or use that DIY hack you saw online, you need to hear this. Some blackhead removal methods can do more harm than good, leaving you with scars, infections, or even worse breakouts. Are you making these dangerous mistakes? Let's find out. Blackheads are frustrating, and we all want clear skin. But in the quest to get rid of them, many people try risky methods that can damage their skin permanently. Today, I'll expose the worst blackhead removal mistakes you should never try. And I'll also share the safest alternatives to keep your skin healthy. If you're serious about getting rid of blackheads the right way, subscribe now because our next video will show you 3 overnight hacks that actually work. You don't want to miss it. Here are the top blackhead removal mistakes you should avoid at all costs. First, using baking soda and lemon. This DIY trick is everywhere, but it's a terrible idea. Lemon is acidic and can damage your skin's barrier, while baking soda messes with your skin's pH, leading to irritation and even more breakouts. Second, scrubbing too hard. Exfoliation is great, but overdoing it with harsh scrubs can cause micro tears in your skin, making it more prone to infections and inflammation. Third, popping blackheads with dirty fingers. Squeezing blackheads without proper sanitation can push bacteria deeper into your pores, leading to painful cysts and scars. Fourth, using glue or pore strips daily. Some people use glue or even duct tape to rip out blackheads. Big mistake. Pore strips and glue can tear your skin and make your pores larger over time. And finally, overusing strong acne products. Overloading your skin with benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or retinoids can cause excessive dryness and peeling, making blackheads worse in the long run. Instead of these risky methods, here's a safe and effective way to get rid of blackheads. Use a gentle salicylic acid cleanser. Salicylic acid dissolves oil buildup inside your pores without damaging your skin. One of the best options is Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It's a game changer for blackheads. I've left the link in the description if you want to check it out. Try a clay mask. A good kaolin or bentonite clay mask absorbs excess oil and clears out pores without irritation. And don't forget to moisturize and protect. Always use a non-comedogenic moisturizer and apply sunscreen daily to prevent further damage. Which of these blackhead removal mistakes have you tried before? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, our next video will reveal 3 overnight hacks to get rid of blackheads fast. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to stop these dangerous skincare habits. See you in the next one.